Hi.
The sun is up and I know a place we can go. It's not far away, it's not far at all. Oh, you can see the mountains and hold the clouds in your head. And we'll dance in the light as if no one's really there. I feel the sun in my skin, the wind in my hair, and I know we're driving but we're going nowhere. So hold me real close and keep me warm. The day has begun and I'm already warmed by you.
Careful.
I can see the winding roads up ahead.
That was awesome. No, hey, no. You're in it. Yep.
The trees are blurred and colors flood my head. I hear the wandering streams and the song of the birds. Seems like a moment in time I don't want to ever end. I feel the sun in my skin, the wind in my hair, and I know we're driving but we're going nowhere. So hold me real close and keep me warm. The day has begun and I'm already warmed by you. I feel the sun in my skin, the wind in my hair, and I know we're driving but we're going nowhere. So hold me real close and keep me warm. The day has begun and I'm already warmed by you.
What did we see? What did we see?
Salmon.
Bunch of salamanders floating around, swimming around.
They're like all over the place. They're like just jumping.
Yeah.
Hey. Whoa. Woohoo.
Cargo shorts. One's wearing a blue shirt, one's wearing a red shirt. And then